Here's the iPad 10th Gen unboxing. This box will heat up. This is a nice blue color. I'm gonna put the box on the side. Okay. The bezels on this are pretty big. So yeah, that's the iPad 10th Gen unboxing. Oh, and you gotta see what's in the box. Alright, so here's the other stuff you get in the box. Designed by Apple in California. You got some instructions and paperwork. 20-watt USB-C adapter, power adapter. A braided USB-C cable. I think this is the same one that came with my iPhone 15 Pro. Yeah, it looks like it is. And that's it. So that's the iPad 10th Gen unboxing. If you like this video, like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.